I'm just gonna say ever.
Say ever. Yeah,
Craziest thing I've ever shot. Hello, welcome to episode 21 of the Bird Tales. I said in the last episode that Will and I were heading up north to hunt sharp-tailed grouse, and I'm here now with Will. There he is, and we are technically north, but our plans are somewhat changed from what we were going to do. We are still making our way up north, but we're going to take a detour. We were going to camp tonight, but the forecast is calling for 2 inches of snow / rain, slush, 20-degree weather, tents. Nobody wants to be in a tent in that. So we're going to delay our trip all the way north until tomorrow morning, and that's when we're going to be hunting about the same time anyways. We're just going to sleep better and be warm tonight.
Woo.
So that's a bonus.
This is the part that you.
So anyway, Will came up to my house tonight, and we are rough grouse hunting. And this is Will's first hunt of the year. So he's still trying to figure himself out. He doesn't know who he is or where he belongs. This woods up here behind me had a timber harvest done in 2009, I believe. I haven't been here yet, so we're going to wander through there and see if we can find a grouse or some woodcock. Woodcock. Rem, come! Rem, come! You see it?
I just a quick.
It went down right here. Yeah, see. Let me down point again. Rough grouse. I saw it sitting on the ground.
I didn't. I saw it get off, but I didn't. I would have had to kill you.
The woodcock's still right up here. You ready? Just keep going. Right, walk right through here. There it goes. Oh!
I don't know what to do.
No, you didn't have a chance at that.
Okay. This is hard.
Yeah, it's really hard. Well, no birds through there. We flushed 4 or 5 woodcock, maybe, and 1 rough. All right, that wraps up the night. It's cold. I remember grouse hunting last year, and it was like considerably hot, probably in the 70s or 80s this weekend, and it's in the 30s. There's snow. Look, snow. It's October 5th? October 5th today?
October 5th, David.
October 5th. But we're there, and it's not raining or snowing at this exact moment, which is amazing because it's going to rain and snow all day long. But tomorrow and the next day are supposed to be nice. We totally wussed out on camping, and we got a hotel tonight. But here's introducing to the Bird Tales. This is Jakoby, as he goes by. He prefers to go by Jakoby. He's going to be joining us for the weekend. This is his first Bird Tales hunt.
Yes, it is.
So, all right, let's start walking. I'm cold. Spot number 2. Spot number 3. No birds. Sure, those birds are here at some point. I think we're done. I'm pretty sure we're done. Yeah, we're all soaked and cold. The Remnar was walking next to me, like the last 200 yards, just shivering. So, yeah, way to go. Good day. Alright, so we've already driven all the way around this section. We saw 1 sharptail on the road up to the north, and it flew way south. So we're on the south line. There's a wheat field over there. Lots of grass in front of us. It actually looks really good. Wouldn't you agree, guys?
I agree.
It looks
fine.
It looks good, and we're cold, and we're gonna go. Let's do it. There's literally enough birds out here that we have found. I have seen 3 piles of poop. You guys?
Including
2?
plus your 3.
Yeah. So numerous piles of poop with feathers. Sharptail evidence is abundant, but no sharptails. I also shot a snipe. I forgot to mention that. There's a bird. So we're changing this from the Sharptail camping trip to the Sharptail hotel trip to the snipe camping trip. Yeah, that'll be a good title. All right, I gotta talk really quick. We hit our latest spot up and flushed a ginormous covey, actually 2 coveys of birds. And
Unbelievable! My gun was fire!
And I shot 3 times and missed all 3 times. Jake shot all 3 times and missed all 3 times. And Will's gun jammed. So then we were driving down the road and we watched a couple Sharpies fly out into the brush over here somewhere. So we're gonna go see if we can find them. Come on, just one, just one.
I'm doing all 4.
Yeah.
Get it! Thank you!
Yes! Ready, find a bird. Good shot, Will, or somebody on that long one.
Go for cup. I took a shot at the long one and then all of a sudden,
Find a bird.
glad I didn't shoot a 3rd time.
Rem!
See.
Oh.
Got him?
This is your first?
Still alive.
Yeah. Our day got a whole heck of a lot better just now. There's Jake in his first Sharptail. Yep. And there's Will in his first Sharptail. Public land, Minnesota Sharptails. Nearly impossible. Unicorns.
Death marches. Furry legs.
Furry legs, yep. Not often does that happen.
My dog's pointing at dog.
A Drake Mallard.
I guess they're legal, right?
Well, I literally went, I have all my licenses, right? I got a plug-in. I had enough time for that.
You did, yeah. Yeah, not exactly a speed demon out of the grass.
He was He's banded!
Oh my god.
No way!
Way.
He's banded! Look at this! A banded Drake Mallard out of a field that a dog pointed. This is by far the craziest thing that I have ever shot upland bird hunt. Ever. Just ever. I'm just going to say ever.
Say ever. Yeah,
Craziest thing I've ever shot. Cooper pointed this Drake Mallard. It flushed, and I have my state stamp, my federal stamp, all of the necessary requirements. The season is open. But just to make this crazier, he's banded. A banded Drake Mallard was just sitting over there in the grass. No way. All right, we are on our final 3 spots. 3 left, right? No, this is our last spot for the night, and then we're gonna go back and build a fire and cook food and just be happy because we shot some birds. God, these guys. Tell us the story.
So there I was, walking in the grass, and Cooper pointed. Then a bird got up, and I identified it as a Sharptail grouse. And I shot it. Now it's in my bag.
Any more? Just one?
Yeah, just the one.
Can we see it quick?
Sure. And I shot. I feel pretty good about that now.
And that's it. That's the end of the day. Now, campfires and hot food, tents. Beer, Will? Are you gonna drink beer tonight? Probably not.
No. Yeah, maybe a couple.
The last one, I literally just crunched my plate over and just kind of shoved it.
What was nice was bread, because you could load it up on the bread and then just like stab the bread.
Last spot of the trip. Camera's almost dead, so go Vikings.
Still going. Still going.
So I didn't get to do my traditional end of the hunt, thanks for watching episode 21, blah 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 thing that I normally do. The batteries in every single camera were dead. I really need to invest in a car charger. But I had so much fun on that hunting trip. I found myself, the first night I was back, I'm looking at my phone for hunting spots to go next year when we make the trip. And we still got a whole year before that. But one of the things I wanted to share with you guys is that band, I got the band report here. So that mallard drake was banded in 2016 near Aylmer, I think I'm pronouncing that right, Aylmer, Ontario, Canada. Yeah, he came from 811 miles away to get there. So that's going to be a funny story that I'm going to tell for a long time. But anyway, tomorrow is pheasant opener. I really wanted to go grouse hunting tonight because it's gorgeous. But instead, I'm going to be sitting at my computer trying to finish the rest of this episode so that I can get it uploaded in time so I can spend all day tomorrow pheasant hunting. Thank you for watching episode 21. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye. Now this is hunting.